Burnout recovery reaches its true depth when integration begins. Healing is not complete when the body feels rested for a few days. It is complete when a new way of living takes root in the subconscious and the nervous system. The old pattern of running on adrenaline must dissolve, and a new imprint of coherence must be installed. Integration begins with awareness practices. Each day, a conscious pause is placed in the schedule, not as an afterthought, but as a non-negotiable ritual. This pause retrains the brain to associate stillness with power rather than danger. Next comes embodiment. Movement, breath, and ritual reconnect the achiever to the body's signal. No longer ignored, the body becomes the compass. When exhaustion whispers, action shifts. When energy rises, creation flows. Integration also requires conscious language. Words like I must and I should are replaced with I choose. This shift imprints agency into the subconscious. It reframes achievement from compulsion to alignment. Finally, integration is sealed with vision. The achiever closes their eyes, sees a future where ambition and vitality are partners, and allows that vision to be felt in the body. The nervous system records this as truth, and with repetition, this becomes the new baseline. The cycle of burnout breaks not by force, but by design. When recovery is embodied, achievement expands without cost. The high achiever no longer burns out in pursuit of success. They become a vessel through which success flows effortlessly and with deep vitality.